Hello everyone, I am Twinkle Sharma. I am here to helping you to crack the cloud certification. So today we will discuss about the roadmap of AWS certifications. The basic question arrive how we can become the professional one and what is the roadmap of becoming that in that field. So we will discuss about that today. The solution architect, the first profile we will discuss. And I want to tell you that the cloud practitioner is a basic course which is required in each and every profile. Okay, and AI practitioners will be recommended for ITs and cloud professionals to leverage the AI. Then we have the associate level for the solution architect, which is solution architects associate. Then we have the professional level of solution architect. After that, we want to go for the specialty. We will go for the AWS certified security specialty, which is a dive deep. So the roles and responsibilities of solution architect is to design, develop and manage cloud infrastructure and assets, work with DevOps to migrate applications to the cloud. Then we have the profile, which is application architect. Again, here, which I have already tell you, the basic courses are the cloud practitioners and AI practitioners, which is recommended for the starting career in the cloud. Then we have the solution architect associate. Then we have the developer associate. After that, DevOps engineer professionals. For becoming the professional in application architect, we have the solutions architect professional, which is the dive deep knowledge for these profiles, or we can say the highest one course for this profile is this. Then we have the roles and responsibilities for application architect is to design significant aspects of application architecture including user interface, middleware and infrastructure, and ensure enterprise wide scalable, reliable and manageable systems. After that we have the profile, which is the cloud data engineer. The basic one is this. After that, you have to do the solution architect associate. After that, you have to do the data engineer associate. And for the professional one, we have to do the security specialist, which is the dive deep. And if you want to learn for the ITs and cloud professionals, we can recommend you the AI and ML projects working. Then you have to do the machine learning engineer associate if you are working in the AI or ML projects. Then the roles and responsibilities for this profile is to automate collection and processing of structured, semi-structured data and monitor data pipeline performance. After that, we have the profile is software development engineer. These courses are the basic one and also recommended for the IT and cloud professional to leverage the AI is a AI practitioners. Then we have the developer associate course. After that, the DevOps engineer professional, which is the higher one. The roles and responsibilities for software development engineer is to develop, construct, and maintain software across platforms and devices. After that, we have the system administrator profile. The basic one course is cloud practitioners. We have already known the for the each and every profile it is coming. After that, the SysOps administrator associate you have to do, and for the deep dive knowledge, you have to do the DevOps engineer professional. The roles and responsibilities of system administrator is to install, upgrade and maintain computer components and software and integrate automation processes. Then we have the profile which is a cloud engineer. Basic one course, all known. Then we have the SEOps administrator associate. Then we have the security specialty. After that, we have the DevOps engineer professional for the dive deep knowledge and the advanced networking specialty. After that, the roles and responsibilities of the cloud engineer, we will discuss that it is he and she is responsible for the implement and operate an organization's networked computing infrastructure and implement security systems to maintain data safety. After that, we have the test engineer who is used to embed it testing, and quality best practices for software development from design to release throughout the product lifecycle. So, the route for the test engineer is the first basic course, cloud practitioner, after that, developer associate, and for the professional DevOps engineer. Then we have the cloud DevOps engineer basic one course. Then we have the developer associate. After that, sysops administrator associate, which is an optional. And the machine learning engineer, it is also recommended, not for the confirmation that you have to do this. After that, for the professional, you have to do the DevOps engineer professional, which is a dive deep knowledge giving course. After that, the roles and responsibilities of a cloud DevOps engineer is to design, deployment, and operations of large scale global hybrid cloud computing environment, advocating for end to end automated CI CD DevOps pipelines. Then we have the Dev Security Ops Engineer, the basic one course, cloud practitioners, all there. SysOps Administrator Associate. Then we have the Machine Learning Engineer, which is only recommended, not mandatory for you. You can also do SysOps Administrator after then directly do the DevOps Engineer Professional. It is not compulsory to do. Then we have the course for the specialty. In this profile, you have to do the security specialty. Roles and responsibilities of this profile is to accelerate enterprise cloud adoption while enabling rapid and stable delivery of capabilities using CI/CD principles, methodologies, and technologies. After that, we have the cloud security engineer, the basic one course, and the recommended course AI practitioners is there. Then we have the sysops administrator associate. After that, you have to do the security specialty. Then you can do is the optional DevOps engineer professional, or you can do the advanced networking specialty. Both courses are the dive deep courses. The roles and responsibilities of cloud security engineer is to design computer security architecture and develop detailed cybersecurity designs, develop, execute, and track performance of security measures to protect information. Then we have the cloud security architecture, in which you have to do the basic one course, which is an optional or recommended only. Then you can, if you are an IT professional, you can directly do the solution architect associate, the security special. For deep dive knowledge, you have to do the solution architect professional one. For the roles and responsibilities of cloud security engineer is that design and implement enterprise cloud solutions, applying governance to identify, communicate, and minimize business and technical risks. After that, we have the profile, which is a network engineer, the basic one course, cloud practitioners. Then you have to do the solutions architect associate. After that, advanced networking specialty. And after that, you have to do the AWS security specialty, which is a dive deep knowledge. The roles and responsibilities of this profile is to design and implement computer and information networks such as local area networks, LAN, wide area networks, WAN, intranet, extranets, etc. Then we have the profile prompt engineer, the basic one course. You can do the machine learning engineer associate. After that, you can do the machine learning specialty, which is dive deep course, or the major one course for the specialty in this field. The roles and responsibility of prompt engineer is to design, test, and refine text prompts to optimize the performance of AI language models. After that, we have a machine learning engineer. Basic one course, as you know, cloud practitioner, AI practitioner. Then we have the solution architect associate. You can also see that some of most of the profiles contains the solution architect associate course, which is nowadays important for us for any profile switching in AWS, right? Then we have the machine learning engineer associate, and after that the data engineer associate or machine learning specialty. For the deep dive knowledge, you have to do the roles and responsibilities of the machine learning engineer is to research, build, and design artificial intelligence systems to automate predictive models and design machine learning systems, models, and schemes. Then we have the machine learning ops engineer profile. Each profile has these three courses: the basic ones, after that, associate level solution architect, after that, machine learning engineer associate, and after that, the data engineer associate. And for the deep dive knowledge, you have to do the DevOps engineer professional courses. The roles and responsibilities of machine learning ops engineer profile is to build and maintain AI, machine learning, or the artificial intelligence platforms and infrastructure, design, implement, and operationally support model of AI ML activity and deployment infrastructure. After that, we have the data scientist profile. So, in this profile, you have to do the basic ones, the solution architect associate. After that, the machine learning engineer associate you have to do. For the specialty in the data scientist, you have to do the machine learning specialty courses. So, in this profile, your roles and responsibilities will be to develop and implement AI ML models to solve business problems, train and fine tune models, and evaluate their performance. Hope you will get the knowledge about all the profiles and the path how to become that profile engineer. So, if you have any other question, let me know in the comments. Thank you for today. Bye bye.